Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. This week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is handling IRS form expiration dates. Now, unlike the IRS form W-9, which does not expire, the various versions of the IRS W-8 form do expire. These forms do expire December 31st of the third year from the signature date. Now, here are some tips to stay compliant by collecting an updated form in time from your vendors. The first tip is to create a W-8 expiration date tracker. Include data such as the vendor's name, which type of W-8 form, and also include the date signed so you can add a formula to calculate the due date. Now, I do have a free one as a download on my site, and I will link to it in the description. The second tip is to start as early as possible. Just because it expires December 31st doesn't mean you can't start as soon as possible in that third year to make sure you get it in time. The third tip is to be prepared on January 1st to appropriately flag those vendors who do not have a W-8 form, a valid form on file, so that you may backup withhold. Once the vendors see that they have taxes withheld, that will be a great incentive for them to forward the applicable W-8 form newly signed. Now, if you would like more information on this topic, I will link episode 24 of my Putting the AP in Happy podcast that is on my YouTube channel. I will link that at the end of this video, and I will also add a link in the description to my blog post on this topic if you would rather read it. Also, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for other free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. Now, good luck, and don't forget to tune in next Tuesday for next week's Vendor Master File tip of the week.